Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to forward an email on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go within your inbox. Select an email you wish to. And now in order for us to forward this email, we will go to the top navigation menu within Home where it says Forward. Click on this. This will then open up a new window for us to forward this email to our chosen recipient. Now let's go to and select or type in the recipient's name. As you know, in the previous tutorials, we are always sending to the Computer Science Videos at Business email, which is for Gmail. So double click on this to expand to ensure that this is being sent to the Computer Science Videos Business at Gmail account. We can insert additional information if we wish to. However, this is a quick forward email to the account. We can then click send. As you can tell, the email has now been sent. We also have a message to confirm that we have forwarded this email on the 29th of October 2023 at 7:17 p.m. We can minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to our additional web browser, which is Google Chrome. Search for this. Enter to open up the web browser. Let's now navigate to our Gmail account by the shortcut. Click on this. Go to that email that was forwarded to this account, and there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome. We can now go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We can quit Microsoft Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.